Now what a bore light does is simply, it's just a flashlight with a piece of plexiglass and a cap on the end. But what it does is you have an angle here, and you can set it right inside your action, turn on the light, and you can look inside the barrel, and which is what I'm going to do right now. All right. Look inside there. And once again, it's just amazing how clean the bore snake does on one thing. I see one little hiccup down there at the end, at the front of the action. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to repeat that step. You know, that hoppies is still right inside, right in front of our brushes here. And we're just going to repeat that step. I'm going to drop our pin in, drop it down the barrel. Here we go. I'm going to line out my bore snake again, just like we did before. You feel it when you get that tension. And, you know, sometimes I just take this cord and I'll do a 1 or 2 wrap around, and we'll just pull this out through the action. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give one more quick look with my bore light just to make sure I got everything out that I wanted to get out, that my rifling is clean. And we're going to check and see. Oh man, that's awesome. So, okay, now that we have that, we're going to start wiping down and cleaning up some of these parts that we've got scrubbed down sitting here and break free.